Hello and welcome to another glass polish video. Today we're unboxing our new xNet Automotive glass scratch removal kit. Here at Glass Polish we're making a conscious effort to be environmentally friendly, so we've ditched all our old plastic packaging and gone with the new recyclable cardboard boxes. As you see on the box, it's got our contact details on the side and on the back what the kit contains, what it's designed for, the glass it's suitable for and what kind of damage you expect to remove. Okay, so have a little look inside the box. Okay, so your box should contain 2 felt polishing pads, 2 green abrasives, 2 blue abrasives, a bottle of cerium oxide polishing compound, a water spray bottle, our Automotive backing pad, 75mm, suitable for a drill, a dust mask for when you're removing the scratches, a microfiber cloth for when you're cleaning, and last but no means least, our instructions. Here at Glass Polish we spent a lot of time and effort getting these instructions right for the customer to make it as easy as possible when removing scratches from glass. If you open them up, you'll see that we've divided it into a kind of 13-step guide, including pictures to make it that bit more easier to know kind of exactly what you're looking for when you're using the process and trying to remove those scratches. It's a lot easier. I can't highly recommend enough giving everything a good thorough read through beforehand, just so you know what you're doing before you start to attempt removing the scratches from the glass. You'll find it a lot easier when doing so, so definitely give that a read through. As I said, it's got the pictures on there just to help you along as well. If you do get into any difficulty, you can drop us an email at contact@glasspolishshop.com. It'll be linked down into the descriptions below. Okay, so with our Automotive backing pad, it's a 75mm, this particular one, suitable for a drill. So you can see it's quite spongy. That goes in there like that, screw it in, and away you go, that goes into the drill. So we've got our fine abrasives, again everything's hook and loop so it sticks on, a medium, and then our polishing pads, black side to the black side to stick that on. We'll also mention that with our pro polishing compound for the end of the process, and even our spray bottle, this is all PET plastic, 100% recyclable. So again, something else we're trying to do, make a conscious effort on helping the environment. If you could give us a like and hit subscribe, that will link to another video for us watching us actually using this kit on a windscreen. Everything's linked down in the description below, including the link for this actual product, the contact email address and our online shop address. Thanks for watching. Bye.